What's up, family? This is your boy Ivan Hall, the Credit King. What are the major credit reporting agencies? Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion are the three main credit bureaus, which you may already be aware of. However, you may not be aware of the existence of additional credit reporting firms that may have an impact on your likelihood of getting approved for credit, and the interest rates offered by lenders. Monitoring your credit involves more than just checking with the three main bureaus. Smaller businesses that you might not be acquainted with, such as Clarity Services, Microbilt/PRBC, and Check Systems, are also used by lenders to gather information on you. Let's examine the many credit reporting companies that are present. Most likely, you are already aware of these. They accumulate information about your credit history and provide lenders with reports that enable them to assess the risk you pose for a loan. Your name, address, social security number, account balances, payment history, credit inquiries, collection amounts, civil judgments, and bankruptcies are all included in these reports. Smaller businesses may be utilized depending on the circumstance to assist lenders in assessing risk. The firms listed below provide alternate reports. These consist of Sage, Stream, Innovis, PRBC, Microbilt, Crentco by Core, Logic. These businesses concentrate on specialized or extra data that might assist lenders in making judgments. LexisNexis Risk Solutions gathers information from hard-to-find sources such as professional licensing information and data relating to real estate transactions, as well as information accessible in public records. In the United States, there were 400 credit reporting companies as of 2012. They are made up of a wide range of businesses that offer information on various financial services and goods, such as payday loans and checking accounts. Credit is what drives the corporate world. Consider all the loans you may have requested over the years, including those for a car, a house, college loans, a rental unit, or a cell phone. For lenders to assess your degree of risk, they require as much information as possible. They resort to businesses that gather more specialized data for this. One such is Microbilt/PRBC, which aids lenders in learning more about candidates with scant credit histories. In the business, this is referred to as a thin file. Before applying for credit, you might wish to verify certain details in particular circumstances. If at all possible, find out from which bureaus your lender obtains its data so you may make sure to address any inaccuracies before applying. This is crucial since different lenders submit their information to several credit agencies, which might result in multiple credit reports and ratings for one credit report. As of 2018, credit reporting organizations must charge you no more than $12 for a copy of your report. You must receive one free report from each of the three main bureaus, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, every 12 months upon request. Contact the firm in issue to learn how to obtain a report and how to pay for or receive a copy for free. You are entitled to a free copy of a company's report if negative action is taken against you based on material in that report. An unfavorable action notification is what you should receive if your loan application is rejected. This explains why you are rejected, from whom they obtained their data, and how to contact them for your report. Almost every major lender or bank will provide you with your scores for free. Websites like creditkarma.com, TransUnion, and Equifax provide VantageScore credit ratings without charge. Credit score services with free access to credit scores are offered by Citi, Chase, Discover, and Capital One. You can check with each single credit scoring model firm if you would want a specific score, such as a VantageScore 4.0 or FICO Score 8. The top three bureaus normally charge approximately $20 to provide your credit report and FICO score. You may raise your credit score by learning as much as you can about it. Nothing to be concerned about if your score is already healthy. Knowing the many informational sources that lenders use to make decisions is still crucial, and it might be useful to you when applying for a loan. For more credit tips, credit hacks, and credit repair secrets, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit us online at thecreditking.com.